What if calm wasn't something you searched for, but something a city could design? What if the way you feel walking down a street wasn't by accident at all? Right here in Winnipeg, there's a neighborhood that tried that idea over a century ago, and somehow it still works today. Welcome to Tuxedo.
Tuxedo wasn't built by chance. It was imagined over a century ago as one of Canada's first garden suburbs.
It's a crisp autumn morning. The air carries that faint mineral smell from the river and the first fallen leaves. We're just 15 minutes from downtown Winnipeg, but it feels like another world here. Because this isn't just any suburb, it's a place designed for balance, where the city meets peace. Come spend a few hours with me discovering this corner of the city, starting where every good story begins, with my favorite coffee spot. A bright, calm cafe tucked along a corridor. Inside, light pours through tall windows, and the smell of espresso mixes with warm pastry. They open at 7 a.m., and if you bring your own mug, you'll save a bit and skip the rush. There's no hurry here, just quiet conversation and the rhythm of the espresso machine. It's the perfect reset before the city wakes up. But calm doesn't stop at the coffee cup. It's baked right into the streets. Just a few steps away is Cobb's Bread. They're known for their sourdough, but I'm here for the scones. Blueberry, raspberry, white chocolate. Buying a box of 6 also gets you a little price break. And trust me, you'll want extras. Coffee from Tom Bargain and a scone here. Perfect start to the day. And once you've had your fill, the real calm begins just down the road. Despite sitting right beside some of the city's busiest streets, Tuxedo has always kept something rare, a sense of calm. As you wander or drive along Lamont Boulevard, the road curves gently, almost encouraging you to slow down. Tall elms arch overhead, their leaves forming a quiet cathedral of gold and green. Here, even the sound of your own movement feels softer. It's not just quiet. It's an intentional calm. Every curve, every tree was drawn to make life feel balanced. And hidden between those trees, one of Winnipeg's most peaceful modern secrets. Amid these century-old homes stands Atelier. A new, modern space built with glass that mirrors the elm canopy. It's clean, simple, and perfectly still. Atelier proves something subtle. Modern design doesn't have to shout. Sometimes, progress whispers. But the real story of calm, it stretches far beyond these walls. From here, you're just minutes from Assiniboine Park, the heart of Tuxedo's design. Walk through the Leo Mall Sculpture Garden, where bronze figures shimmer beneath trees and ponds. Or visit the WAG at the Pavilion, a quiet, free gallery filled with local and indigenous art. start early and enjoy a slower morning walk. Then stop by The Leaf, a breathtaking botanical space filled with light and calm, and grab a seat at Gather, the restaurant inside. It's the perfect spot for a slow brunch or coffee, surrounded by tropical greenery. A few minutes north sits the Assiniboine Park Zoo, home to the Journey to Churchill exhibit. Go on weekday mornings for lower entry prices and fewer crowds. As the sun sets, laughter drifts from Rumor's Comedy Club on Corridor. Just one of those simple moments that make this area feel alive. Between park trails, patios, tennis, golf, and quiet corners, it reminds you that calm doesn't just happen. Maybe that's the secret. Peace isn't something you find. It's something you design, one small choice at a time. Tuxedo has always been about one thing: intention. Even a century later, it reminds us that peace doesn't just appear. It's shaped by how we choose to live. This is framed in the Peg, where stories, streets, and stillness meet. From hidden parks to everyday paths, we uncover how design, community, and rhythm shape the way we live. Because sometimes the most meaningful journeys aren't across the world, they're just across the street. Subscribe, join the journey, and see how your city can still surprise you, one frame at a time. Thanks for watching.